In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated workflow in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, open your project, switch to a visual board, and set up simple automations using rules so routine work takes care of itself. Start by heading to Asana's login page. If your team uses single sign-on with Google, choose the Continue with Google option. Select your Google account and complete the sign-in. If you use a different sign-in method with your organization, that's fine too. The goal is simply to land in your Asana workspace with the right access to your projects. Once you're in, open the project where you want to build your workflow. Pick the one that represents the process you want to streamline, ideally where you already track tasks. It helps to make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so your rules apply in the right place. Switch the project to the board view. The board gives you columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done that make your process easy to see at a glance. You can still use List View when you need a detailed roster, but the board is perfect for mapping a pipeline. Add tasks with clear titles, assign them to owners, and include due dates and custom fields if your process relies on them. As work progresses, drag tasks across sections to reflect status. Consistent section names and clear assignees are key because the automations you'll set up next depend on predictable structure. Now let's automate. Open the Customize panel in the upper right of the project. This is your control center for fields, forms, and most importantly, rules. Open the Rules area to see available options. Rules let you define a trigger, something that happens in the project, and an action, the automatic response Asana should take. This removes handoffs, nudges owners, and keeps data clean without manual updates. Choose Add to create a new rule. You can start from a template or build a custom one. Common triggers include when a task is moved to a section, when a due date changes, or when a task is marked complete. Useful actions include assigning the task to the next owner, setting or updating a due date, adding a comment, moving it to another section, or adding a custom field value. Keep rule names descriptive so teammates understand what they do, and avoid creating overlapping rules that could conflict or loop. Begin with a small set of rules that support your core process, then expand as your team gets comfortable. That's it. Log in, open your project, view it as a board, and add rules from Customize to automate routine steps and keep work moving.